Sorry. Good. I think last 3 sessions were really good, and as Neeraj was talking about overlap, yes, we do have few overlaps in this topic as well. And he has raised, I think, 2 very good questions which we will be discussing in this session. One, peel off. Second, application, right, along with the Canon Colorado. So first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sam for bringing such a wonderful event in India. I think this is the first time I am seeing such a good synergy where most of the delegates, in fact, they have been traveling around the world, who are here to share, connect with each of us and give their insights. So that's a good part of it. So I'll quickly give you an introduction about myself. I've done engineering. So basically, printing engineering from Pune University. Not many people were really aware that stream do exist. So we are the people who are also hired for printing currency. So most of the supervisors, advisors are coming from printing industry for printing the currency, not only in India but around the world. Then PGDM. I started my experience especially with the flexography industry. That was into level 2nd. When I was working with Epson, that was the time I came in contact with the Arrow Digital and we started our venture. So this journey with Arrow Digital is more than a decade, and I know many of the delegates who are working with Arrow Digital, they are really best amongst most of the candidates available in India, where they are really cooperative. And I joined 3M. It's been almost close to 9 years. I take care of digital printing and screen printing applications in India. So understanding the failure, I think the first question which was raised, that is where 3M started. In 1902, the first product 3M has developed, that was adhesive. How we can really prevent the failure which is happening in the industry. And however, today's session is more relevant is we are going to talk more about the MCS warranty which has been offered on Canon printers. Talking more about the digital printers and models which are covered, how you can enroll them. There are delegates available in this forum. Basically, their graphic manufacturing sites are qualified with 3M MCS warranty, where they can offer warranty up to 8 years, which has been protected by 3M, right? 3M digital printed warranty for your wall coverings as well. Then we'll talk about training and support, where we actually train the applicators, which was the second question. How you can expand the reach of applicators. We have 3M certified, 3M endorsed applicators, right? Who can also be collaborating with you if you need support across India. So let's talk about the graphic failures. There are different types of graphic failure that we talk about when we use premium print film and a very low cost overlap. Like it take to, like shrink and expand in different proportion, that results into a failure, which is called as crocodile pattern. There are some of the customer requirements that we need to understand. I think we were talking about printing on wide format, what exactly customers are looking at. Sometimes they put it on the floor, but our Canon Colorado, which has come up with really good coating options, I think gloss and matte combination, which is really protecting our graphics from the failures as well. These were the dates, I think, selecting the wrong profiles, the resolution, that was not really enough. But now we can see the wide format digital print platforms, they can print up to 1800 and 2400 DPI as well, which is really a good resolution. Second, lack of application basics. So, sorry, I'll shift this side. Can you see now? Yeah. Sorry. So, Bangalore R&D Center, we have in-house dedicated application center. Typically, we talk about vehicle wraps. We also have aircraft part. I think Mr. Sam was mentioning in the morning, we received inquiry, we as in 3M India received an inquiry along with the collaboration with the Arrow EFI. Then we had to order a small aircraft part from 3M Singapore. And I would like to, inform you the first aircraft tail wrap which has happened just a day before, which is flying off very soon. So earlier, aircrafts were sent outside India to wrap, especially to Egypt, Singapore and Europe for wrapping but I would like to tell you proudly, worldwide they are printed on EFI print platform. So Mr. Sam, he has been really engaging not only in India but outside India 3M customers as well as the aerospace agencies to supply 3M materials for aircraft application as well. So we talk about the R&D where we can train the applicators. You can also enroll, you can reach out to me if you need your applicators to be trained on for wall graphics as well as grass graphics application. So that is what exactly 3M do, not only in India but worldwide. So we understand the behavior of the film. So what exactly we have done, I will also show you some of the slides. The Canon Colorado Prints, we have printed on different platforms, right? Platform as in like clear films, gloss films, matte films, white films. They are tested in natural as well as accelerated weathering to understand how many years of warranty that we can give to these print applications. So as of now in India, we can extend up to 5 years in outdoor and 8 years in indoor, which also covers the fading. Second, our training part, we do training like workshops, sales training programs. Recently there was a Delhi printer meet. I think most of the delegates who have come from Delhi, they were also part of these programs where we talk about the different applications. And also there is an awareness certification also is being planned where we call for international application specialists who travel to India and who certified the applicators. So that's a good part about it. Moving to the 3M warranties, we talk about 3 different type of warranties. One is basic product warranty, the second is newer, which is 3M performance warranty, and third is MCS warranty. So MCS warranty, which is applicable for Canon, which covers fading, cracking, peel off and blistering as well. So when you talk about the wall graphics for 8 years, it will be protected by 3M. If there is a failure, the material will be replaced at no cost. So you will be provided with the digital print films as well as over laminate at no cost if the failure occurs within that 8 years. It is not just a satisfaction, like typically people talk about the guarantee and warranty. There is always a confusion. Guarantee is just a word. However, warranty, there is a strong backing. We offer digital document which is being shared directly with the customer. While raising the warranty certificate, if you key in the email address of a customer, directly one soft copy goes to the end customer as well, which remains as a proof of concept and the warranty document. The basic, if there is a failure in the product, that you receive the product in damaged condition, no adhesion is good, no compatibility with the printer, it will be replaced without asking questions. Second is performance guarantee, where ink defects are not covered. However, when we talk about Colorado, our 3M MCS warranty, what exactly we do, you can see this is a big site which is a natural as well as accelerated weathering sites. We have around 16 locations around the world where we print, protect with different over laminate combination, and we test, we check whether it really lasts for 3 years, whether it really lasts for 5 years, and that remains the backing, and that is where 3M is really, really strong. As you can see the last column, 3M MCS warranty, we have been talking about blistering, cracking, peel off, discoloration, fading, peel off, which was major concern which was raised in previous session, and most of other patterns are also being covered. So that's a really smart decision if you are going for a smarter printer platforms as well. This is just a small video. I'm not sure if audio is connected, but these are the typical problems that we see in the industry, graphic industry. Let it be a vehicle wrap, let it be a wallpaper, exterior applications, exterior wall. It's a non-prorated, means if the failure happens after, it's just a background music, there is no audio. And we also talk about horizontal warranty coverage and publicly available warranties. Yeah, so we were talking about non-prorated warranties. So what is non-prorated warranty? Suppose you have given 8 years of warranty for that wall application and it has failed after 7th year. We will not replace that product with 1 year warranted product. It will be replaced with the same product, same overlap. That is called as non-prorated warranty, which has been offered by 3M. Now, when we talk really big with the most of the trusted brands around the world, as we can saw, I think, in the first presentation, a lot of prints are nowadays happening on Canon worldwide. And India, they have reached a milestone of 47,000 square meter printing, which is per printer, right? At the site, which has been done on this Canon Colorado. And we have been talking about the whiting as well. So even if you are printing using whiting, and if there are defects, that will be covered and certified on 3M materials. So these are some of the models like 1630 and 1650, which are also certified with Green Guard Gold certification. So 3M also manufactures Green Guard and Green Guard Gold certified vinyls. I think one of the delegate is not available today here. So we have done recently a project with the pharma organization, pharma company for their factory, which was close to 130,000 square feet. And they have been asking about the Green Guard and Green Guard Gold certified material as well as the ink, so that it is not going to affect the pharma ambience, because the inks that you use for printing also emits some radiations. We call it as a VOC, volatile organic components, which are really hazardous. You cannot see them by naked eye, but they are continuously emitting the radiations, which are going to make your indoor quality 2 to 3 times more worse than outside, which is called as air quality index. So Green Guard Gold, we talk about use for children facilities, hospitals, and the people who are coming in contact with the elderly application. So most of the corporates, American Lung Cancer Association worldwide, Green Building Councils, India Green Building Councils, they have been talking about the LEED credits, which has been qualified under Green Guard and Green Guard Gold. I think there is a need of awareness and communication, which will really help to solve the customer problems. So let's talk more about this platform, how it is really helping us to offer the warranty. When we look at the 3M MCS warranty qualified printer models, if you see Canon is on the top, after that there is more range of EFI. So this first 2 platforms are being covered with Canon and the wide range of EFI platforms which are covered under MCS warranty offerings. And most of the information, even about the inks, we have added in this 3M mobile app, which is called as Cosmo. I would request all of you, maybe you can take a photograph, you can download this app. This app is really useful. You can go and hit the search button and you can type Canon. You will see why the Canon Colorado inks are really unique compared with all other print platforms. So please download this app. You can use it. There are product category selections which are available. Now when we talk about MCS warranty, there are many digital prints which are available, right? All of them appear white, but not all of them are manufactured in a similar fashion. So some of them they will last for 3 months, some of them they will last for 6 months, some of them they will last for 8 years. And also we have décor over laminates which comes with a texture surface, right? That is available under the Cosmo app, which can be printed again on Canon and offered with 8 years warranty with the textured patterns. So we were talking about the printer models and how does it look like. So there is a collaboration globally. Canon and 3M have come together and we have reformulated the ink so that it should last really long, not only in indoor but outdoor kind of application. And that is a proof that you can be trusted on when it comes to the warranty and the failure. So it is related to ink fading as well as the material peel off. So these are some of the close-up snaps of the cartridges which are installed, which is UV gel technology. Some of the online tools I will quickly show you. Maybe we can talk about the warranty. You can visit 3M India website, you can visit 3M global website. Under that graphics warranty, you can see this option Under that you have option to choose Canon. And when we talk about the zone, the entire world has been divided into 3 zones. Why so? Because there are some of the countries which are always in the extreme negatives. So our products, even if it is a wallpaper, it can last up to minus 60 degrees Celsius, it will perform, and on higher side it can go up to 107 degrees Celsius while printed on these platforms. Second, extreme cold and dry. And third is India, which you can see it is in red zone, because we also have some of the customer photographs we have done for Fleet earlier in other print platforms, where the photographs were taken in a snow. So I have photographs, maybe you can reach out to me, I will show you. So right from minus 15, minus 20 degrees Celsius done in India for northern territory extremes. Also we have a coastal line and hot climatic conditions like Rajasthan. We have Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, where the temperatures are really high. So our products will continue to perform. And you can see these are the platforms which are published on our website. So this is how typically the sample warranty matrix looks like. We can discuss in detail if you need more information. So it is very simple. We talk about zone 3. These are the print films which are tested, certified on Canon print platform. And these are the list of combinations of the overlap. I will only explain the interior surface because today we are going to talk more about the wallpapers. So as you can see, 8 is actually 8 years warranty that you can offer with digital print film and the over laminate combination printed on Canon print platform, which has been tested and certified, and it will not fail. So there is no concern about the peel off and failure from your customer. That means absolutely peace of mind. Imagine we are in 2025 and you are going to cover the warranty up to 2032 and 2033, which is a year. That's really long commitment with these print platforms. So we talk about different applications: transportation, exterior sign, interior sign, watercrafts, OEM fleet tracks. These are all being covered with our Canon print platforms. We talk about specialty product 180C, 280, 680 and the non-PVC series. So when we say non-PVC, I'll just show you a backing also. These are the liners. Typically it looks like a green liner. So these films are produced with special formulation. There is no plastic content in it. Recently we also have developed a product which is made from maize, which is a corn, which is non-edible component, especially that straw and leaf, we converted it into polymer. So film which looks like plastic, it is not plastic, it is made from our biogrades. That is also been covered under warranty. Why it is so unique? Let's talk quickly about the pictorial description. This has been tested for 5 years in accelerated weathering, and there is definitely a competition, as you know, which has turned out into a cracking, peel off, browning, and there are other defects. Also, there are strips which we have tested without over laminate. Most of the OEM, they say over laminate is not required, but that is not the case. When you expose them in outdoor climatic conditions, it do fail faster. These are some of the sites around the world where we do testing. As you can see, snow, excessive dry area and humid area as well. So these are some of the graphs of technical parameters where we talk about ASTM standards, testing for the excellent outdoor performance as well as applicability. So when we talk about 3M inks, so when we talk about that backing, so this is a manufacturing facility of 3M where we manufacture most of the clear coats and our inks. So there are some of the inks that we manufacture and we give it to the printer OEM with our confidential formulations. It will be again further formulated and relabeled and supplied worldwide when we talk about the weathering performance. Enrollment process is very easy. Maybe you can also reach out to me. Visit 3M Graphics website. Under the resource tab, there is an option of warranties. Click on the warranties. There is an option to enroll your MCS print platform facility. It's very simple. You just have to fill up some of the details related to your organization. When the organization has started, how many number of employees you have, what kind of applications that you do, how many square feet that you print, and just submit. Once you are nominated, you will receive a certificate. Now, from April 2025 onwards, we are not expiring. Earlier there was an audit process. Earlier every 2 years we used to audit, then 1 year. Now it will be valid for lifelong. So once warranty certificate has been issued as a 3M MCS qualified graphic manufacturer, you will be labeled lifelong. So this is one of the sample certificate that you can see, which will be given to the graphic manufacturing side. So we were talking about training. Yes, not only the conversion of the material selection, but we talk more about the endorsed, certified and preferred application training programs, which are 1 day or 2 day long. You can register with us. We will keep you posted on our upcoming training dates. Some of the takeaways while becoming 3M MCS partner. These are a ready-made list of PDF documents, again available inside the same mobile app. I will be showing this next slide. I would request all of you to download the app and you will get a free access to all the documents. You can use them for marketing and collaboration. So this is the mobile app which we were talking about, 3M Cosmo. It talks about the vehicle, windows, architectural applications, cleaning solutions and a lot more. So that's a quick brief from my side on the warranty offerings for our wall decor applications. If you have any questions, maybe we can discuss. Definitely, I am here for a full day long. Also, if you would like to connect with me, you can take a photograph of this. I have my mobile number and my LinkedIn profile. We can stay connected. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much. So please have a huge round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would request the team to please